Intelligent Automatic Cat Litter Box. Upgraded Design Smart Cat Litter Box. Ford Automatic Cat Litter Box upgraded overall structure to prevent cat pinched. Compared with most other litter boxes, the self-cleaning holes open downward, deep and dark cabin, but our automatic litter box open inward, bright and large space for cat enter in and stay. L100% Safety Protection System. Advanced automatic cat litter box that equipped with powerful safety system, integrated device of radar, infrared sensor, gravity sensor, anti-pinch infrared sensors, self-detection, ventilated and inverted triangle stable structure design, cat health data collection and analysis, abnormal alert via app, make sure no cats will get hurt. L powerful ultra-sensitive protection system. Even if the cat goes in while the litter box is working, there is no need to worry about the cat getting hurt. The gravity sensing system can instantly recognize cats entering the litter box. It will stop working immediately until the cat leaves. L low-level entrance for all ages cats. The distance from the entrance step of our cat box to the ground is only 8.2 inches, which is lower than many other litter boxes' entrance, so the cat don't need to jump into the litter box. The entrance design is especially friendly, very gentle, which is very easy and safe for old and young cats enter in and out. Don't worry, cat fall down. Product size: 25.7 inches * 23.8 inches * 25.2 inches. L app control and health data collection and analysis. Our litter box can record the cat's health data, including weight, toileting times, toileting duration, etc. All these data can be displayed and read on the SoiKoi app, and the litter box controlled by the app. One key to self-cleaning and solve all cleaning problems. Tips. Considering the accuracy of the data, our cat box can display multiple cats' weight, but app only records the health data of a cat. LED screen display. When the cat enter in the smart cat box, the weight will display instantly on the screen. You can see cat's weight clearly. The power indicator, Wi-Fi signal, and litter box's working status display on the screen. Tips. The cat litter is recommended to use only bentonite cat litter. L easy to install. Ford Smart Litter Box is very easy to install and disassemble without tools. Removable sifting litter box for daily cleaning and installation according to your needs. More space inside for easy cleaning. 9L large capacity of trash box means no scooping, cleaning or refilling cat's litter box for few weeks. We also equipped with UV function, providing a clean and comfortable living environment for cats at all times.